Well, this is a nice Saturday morning and welcome to Tops, or actually as it's really known, the Chilled. I always call it Tops, but it's actually the Chilled, and they have a Tops supermarket. Now they've got a nice little car park here which has got a good fair few spaces, and then just moving further on there's more down here. They have an underground car park, and this is the exit from it here, so you have to watch out you don't get run over. So they got this nice underground car park. Now that's good because it keeps you out of the sun, of course, keeps the car cool. Now there's a couple of booths here. We've got a coconut milk smoothie, and I'm not sure what this one is. Let's have a look. It's like pizza and stuff. Halal. Okay, they're parked outside. So also, just a bit of note here, they're sort of partnered with Waitrose, so they have some Waitrose things inside here. They have some Waitrose things inside, so when you go shopping in the supermarket, some of the things are a bit expensive because they're imported, and they cost a little bit more, but it's okay, you can get other bits and bobs too. So let me have a look here. They have a few things inside. There's a pancake shop here, and they've got a K-Bank which is closed at the moment. There's a little shop here for telephone knickknacks. There's a nice man here who sells keep fit gear. If you want to keep fit, this is the place to come and have a look. Treadmills, things. There's an optician's here too. There's an optician's just there if your eyes need looking at. And then we have a telephone shop here. They sell telephone bits, and they're not all open here because it's early. There's a ladies bits shop and some other bits there. I'll come back to that. Okay, so we've got the Double Kiss Tele buffet restaurant and sports bar. Bars are closed at the moment, so it's closed, but it's quite a big place. They've got some tables in there, and they've got some outside space as well. There is a Watson's here which are just opening up, and then they have a power buy here which is closed at the moment. And then they've got a coffee shop here which I've been to quite a few times. This is a Chao Doi Coffee shop here, and then they've got some nice escalators. Oh look, here we go, there's some bedding here and some t-shirts. It's good to see this space being used. It was empty a little while back. Oh, there's a handbag shop over there. You can just see from the top there's some handbags. So yeah, it's good that they're using the space. Now upstairs we've got some kiddies toys area. They've got little toys for scooting up and down, and a few games. And there was a martial arts place here, but I'm not sure if they're still here. And there's a Mr. DIY here. Now this is a great shop. I love coming to this shop because you always end up with a bag of stuff that you didn't know you needed and you had to buy it. But of course you can come here for things sometimes. Sometimes I want something and I'll just come here because they probably would have it. Okay, there's Mr. DIY. Of course it's closed at the moment. Now you have to understand that things aren't quite normal here. Oh, and the hair care salon is open. The hair care salon is open. That's good. Although I had a haircut yesterday, so not much use to me. So, heading down. Yeah, it's early and they've only opened Mal's a couple of days. They opened on the 1st, so Mal's have been effectively closed. So I'm not sure how much of this place has been shut. I'm not sure at all. Okay, there's the Chao Doi Coffee shop. We've been here a few times and had a few coffees. Okay, we'll have a walk around inside. Oh, it's not much point taking you around the supermarket because effectively it's a supermarket. And they have supermarket things. I did see the other day they had some hacks in here. I'm not sure if I can see them anymore. They were here somewhere. Large tins of hacks, which brought back memories from my... Oh, here we go. Here we go. So here we have some large tins of hacks. Look at that. Large tins of hacks. Look at that. Hacks. Hacks regular. How about that? That just brought back so many memories from my childhood. It seems a long time ago. I'm not sure if that's really true. Okay, so we've got Hershey's. Oh, we've got tins of cornflakes. How about that? And we have lots of chocolate. What we got here? We've got the Hershey's, that's the usual stuff. Let me see if I can find something. Ritter. Mini Snickers and Mars bars. Guillian. Belgian chocolates. Okay, I seem to be lost for anything exciting. Oh, they've got a Dolce Gusto coffee department here. You can buy some refills or the whole machine. Oh, let's have a look at the fruit here. So, oh, we have some Fiji apples. 29 part each, is that? Wow. Grapes 109, 299, 229, 99. Ooh. So they have a nice, oh, it looks like it's open again. We've got a nice little food counter here that they can do. They can make your breakfast for you, or you could come here all day and you just order and take it away, or you can just eat it here. We've been here quite a few times to eat. Let me have a quick look. There's a menu here, but there's no prices. But it's not expensive. It's cheap as chips. They make the food fresh as you order it. It's great stuff. And they have a good selection of bread here and cakes.